If you also see this error message on the Microsoft Store, then this is the place where you need to be. In this video, we will show you different ways on how you can fix the following error message. Now what you can do first is to sign out and back into the Microsoft Store. In order for you to do that, launch the Microsoft Store app, click your profile icon at the top bar, choose the sign out option, then restart the Microsoft Store, click the profile icon again, then choose sign in. Now you have to select your account and then click the continue option. You also have to enter your PIN to confirm your identity. But if that method did not work, change the Microsoft Store region to the country you are in. You can do this by searching Region Settings, click the drop-down icon next to Country and Region, then choose your country name from the list. You might also need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And lastly, use the built-in Windows troubleshooter. Do that by opening Settings, click System, choose Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter, click the Run option next to Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, and then the troubleshooter window will appear and start detecting the problems. Now if it finds any problem, this will automatically fix it without much user input. So that's how you can fix the following error code in your Microsoft Store from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.